All right, good afternoon. What do we got going on here?
Skydiving.
Skydiving. That explains those super fancy suits you're wearing. Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
Friend's birthday.
Yeah.
What's that?
Sierra's birthday.
Oh, it's a birthday. Nice. We love celebrating birthdays here. So you're going to knock this out. You're going to come back for your guys' birthday, right?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. All right. Well, you guys look absolutely fantastic. I know I look fantastic. You ready to rock and roll and have some fun?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. High fives. Let's go.
All right, guys, here's our ride. Ready to get in this thing, get up and blast off out of here. High five. Woo! 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 Let's get it. If we want to go right, bend your right elbow. Same thing for the left. Up on the right, down on the left. Woo! Alright, and then when we want to float, hold. Feel it slow down?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, you got a good grip, right? You're flying! Yeah! Alright, hold that head in there for me. We're going to try to get up against that drop zone. We're a little bit downwind. Looking great. Pretty quickly. All right, you did it. You just went skydiving. How are you feeling?
Great. Amazing.
Yeah, what was your
Ready to
favorite
go
part?
again. The view.
The view? You just said you're ready to go again, so that answers my next question. I don't even have to ask it. You did absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for jumping with us at Skydive Colorado Springs.
Thanks.
Yes.